Hello everyone. Let us see this case study about analysis the cybersecurity challenges in smart grid and purpose possible mitigation techniques. Introduction. Introduction to smart grid cybersecurity challenges discuss the increasing vulnerabilities of smart grid system to cyber attacks, highlighting the need for robust security measures to protect critical infrastructure. The paper explores unique challenges posed by the interconnected nature of smart grids and the potential consequences of a successful cyber attack on the grid. Understanding the threat landscape in smart grid system. Threat landscape overview. Smart grid systems face a diverse range of threats, including cyber attacks, physical attacks, and natural disasters. Importance of understanding the vulnerabilities and potential risks in smart grid system is crucial for developing effective security measures. Benefits of analysis. By analyzing the threat landscape, organizations can better prepare for and mitigate potential security breaches in smart grid system. Common vulnerabilities and risk in smart grid. Risk mitigation. Smart grid infrastructure faces common vulnerabilities and risks such as cyber attacks and data breaches, which can com- compromise the security and reliability of the system. These vulnerabilities can be exploited by malicious actors to disrupt distribute the power distribution, steal sensitive information, or even or even cause physical damage to critical infrastructure. In addition, the interconnected nature of smart grid system increases the potential for cascading failures and whispered outages, widespread outages in the event of a successful cyber attacks. To mitigate these risks, it is essential for utilities and grid operators to implement robust cybersecurity measures and regularly update their systems to address emerging threats. Mitigation techniques for enhancing cybersecurity in smart grid. Prevention techniques. Implementation encryption protocols and strong authentication mechanism can help prevent unauthorized access to smart grid system. Regular security audits and updates can also help identify and patch vulnerabilities. Mitigation techniques. Creating a robust incident response plan and conducting regular employee training on cybersecurity's best practices can help mitigate the impact of cyber attacks on smart grid systems. Implementation, network segmentation, and access controls can also limit the spread of malware within the system. Case studies of successful cybersecurity implementation in smart grid. Importance of cybersecurity. In recent years, there have been several successful case studies of cybersecurity implementation in smart grids, showcasing the importance of protecting critical infrastructure from cyber threats. These case studies highlight the effectiveness of various security measures such as encryption, access control, and instruction detection system. Role of encryption. One notable example is the implementation of advanced encryption technologies in a smart grid system, which help prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data and ensure the integrity of the grid. This successful implementation demonstrates the importance of encryption in safeguarding critical infrastructure from the cyber attacks. Significance of access control. Another case study involves the deployment of robust access control mechanisms in a system grid network, which help limit access to authorized personnel only and prevent potential security breaches. This successful implementation underscores the significance of access control in protecting smart grid systems from cyber threats. Future trends and recommendations for securing smart grid system. Cyber security measures. As smart grid systems continue to evolve, it is crucial for organizations to stay ahead of emerging threats by implementation implementing robust cybersecurity measures. This includes adopting advanced encryption techniques and implementation continuous monitoring to detect and respond to potential security breaches. Enhance security measures to further enhance the security of smart grid system. Organization should focus on implementation strong authentication protocols and conducting regular security assessments to identify vulnerabilities. Additionally, investing the employee training and awareness program can help prevent internal security incidents and ensure a culture of cybersecurity awareness. Thank you.